As we begin this ride, you'll see that this is Mingus Avenue, although this is the first day that I ride Mingus Avenue in Cottonwood. I have issues with the GoPro's audio that came out basically zero or scratchy, and I don't know whether it's the external microphone adapter or what. So my usage of GoPros from here out are going to be simply as external bike or something out in the air where I don't need to worry about speaking into them. $50 for their adapter and no way to check it to see that it's working except by buying another one is not my idea of good business. So you'll hear the sounds or audio that is playing is actually from my second day's ride coming off my Sony camera. I superseded the Sony audio onto the GoPro video, and most of it is actually pretty close to in tune or in sync. Some of it is not, as you'll see. Anyway, enjoy the ride. This is a better physical view of the Mingus Avenue than the one that is with the suspensions view. Thanks for watching. Louisiana Long saying enjoy the ride.
Gotta watch out for people coming the other way. Rocks are awful skiddy. That was a big one.
So I'll interject here as I turn around and reiterate this was my first ride on Mingus Avenue. And the problem with the GoPro has put me in the position of not using GoPros anymore, except for external bike or handlebar, that kind of thing usage, where I don't use any form of external microphone inside my helmet. Yeah, I've had too many issues with them, so that's it for GoPro. Like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching. Louisiana Long. See ya.